Today we're going to start the insert tab. Previously we have done the home tab. Inside that we have, I think so, finish each and every option inside it. Right now in a home tab, first of all we're going to start from a table, not from pivot table. The reason is that when we know about the summarizing the data, when we know about the filter, when we know about the just like out total sum or these things, then we go over to the pivot table. Okay, this one pivot table I'm going to left, and one whole lecture will be there for a pivot table. Got my point or not? Okay, one full lecture will be on that. Right now we're going to do inside it here. First of all, start from this data table. Sorry, first of all, you know that for data table we have done also why we use table whenever we're going to give a quick style, okay, and fastly give a style to our items which are there. So we are going to use a table over there. Okay, let's suppose registration number, reg, name and class and marks here, 1 and Ali, class K and marks 20, 2 Jawad K 11, 18 and enter 3 Kamran and KF and 17, 4 Ahmad, F 29, 5 Masood and K and 17. Okay, these marks I have. If I want to create a table on that, so just select that and here select the table, clicking OK, header rows, and this is going to be created. Right now it is easy to give a style to this table. Here go over to the styles, so you can see that different styles are there, table style which you want to like, so just select that. It is going to be applied on your table. Furthermore, we can do a filter. If you remember in previous class we have done a filter and customizing a filter, sorting, and this is going to be applied on a table. Also possible to do so. So it is easy to do so right now or not when you create a table. So it is furthermore operations are easy on it. Okay, right now next one is inserting a picture. If you want to insert a picture, so just clicking on that, so it will insert a picture from your document and select the picture which you want to do so. So it has been inserted or not. Okay, furthermore, if you want to insert a clip art, so it's also possible, making the borders and these which we have studied in a world. Okay, right now in furthermore you can also insert a clip art from clip art here, border. So this is I've told you available over here. Right now the borders, this is from a format, okay, which type of border you want to create, a single border, double border, so it's available over there. Okay, this is a frame, picture frames, which frame you want to create, so different style of frames you have, select from that and it is going to be applied for your picture. That's all. Okay, right now I want to insert a clip art, and these options we have discussed. If you remember in a word we have all discussed all these options one by one individually. Okay, come to the insert. From insert we are going to insert a clip art, same. Okay, find a clip art. Here it has been inserted. Another one, third one I'm going to insert, third one inserted. Okay, right now if you see that 3 images has been inserted inside it. If you want to adjust the level, which will come forward, which will come back, so it's also possible to do so. How? From home tab, go over to the select pan. From home, go to the select pan. From home tab, go over to the select pan. You want that this picture will be shown or not shown, hidden, this picture will be shown or not shown, or the third one, it will be visible or not visible, or you go hide all, so every picture is going to be hidden, or show all will also available these picture. Right now this is on the top of, this picture is on the top or not. I want that this will come to the back, the picture number, this is which picture, picture number 2, this will come where, at full back. So how? Just select this picture and here or in a reorder, sorry, click outside, here in a reorder, do it what, bake it back, send back, so one level back, and if I'm going to click again, so it will be full back or not. So you can also make it up, second level, third level, fourth level up by the help of this. If you want that this picture will come at the top, right now it is not at the top or not, one level back. So just clicking on that, it will become at the forward. Okay, so it come at the top or not. So by this pan, by selection and visibility pan, you can arrange the order of that, or if you want to hide all these pictures, so just here clicking on that, so it will be hidden, or one will be hidden, and just like one will be shown, other two will be hidden. So it's also possible to do so. Okay, got my point or not?
Yeah, if you want to click the upper part of the picture, how can you do?
This one,
Yeah, yeah.
it will come at the top.
No, if you just want the one small part of the picture.
Okay, we have done a crop inside it or not? In a format, we have crop. Okay, just I need the upper part, so just select that. Right now another picture, this is the upper part, so it has been selected. Okay, in the world we have done these things. Crop. Okay, it's like for this picture, if you want the just bar side. Okay, so it has been created. Once you again you're going to click, so same style is going to be created. Understand? Okay, next one we have shapes done in a world or not? No need of repeating. Smartart we have also done in a world. Smartart, that's a full. Okay, if you want to insert a points, or just like here, this thing I'm going to insert here. What text will be here? What text will be here? And third text. Just like I'm going to first of all write a input statement. Come on. In a new sheet, I'm going to insert that, because here statement. Okay, input statement, in the next one processing, and third one is output statement. So a procedure will show. If you remember, Smartart is what? A visual representation of an idea or information. Visual representation of idea or information is known as what? Smartart. So if you want to do so, so just go over there, what you want to insert. I'm going to hide that. Okay, any idea you want to represent, so go over to the Smartart. Just like here, in a percentages or signs, gears, or wheels, we have a system is there, you want to define it. Diagram. Okay, what text? The main process, second process, third process, so it will show you. Understand? We have done in a word. Okay, from this sheet I also delete that. The next one we have after Smartart. Okay, after Smartart, what we have? Delete this one also. In insert, we have charts. Okay, what this chart is? Chart is a graphical representation of a data. Chart is a what? In Word we have also studied. Chart is the graphical representation of a data. Okay, for that first of all I'm going to enter data, then we are going to represent that or not. Okay, the data is also available over there, but I'm going to just increase the size. You want to create a chart, so I need this one, just names, and what more I need? Copy and marks. Okay, and marks I need, copy and paste it over here. Done. Right now, if I'm going to create a chart on the basis of this data, so first of all select this data, okay, and go over to the chart. So right now I want to create a chart, so just select the chart type, which chart type you want to create. So here a chart has been created for that or not. Quite big chart, I'm going to make it slightly small. Understand? Right now names are written and these are the marks of the students. Understand? I've told you that we have when we are discussing a chart in a Word, I've told you that every chart has its own usage. Every chart has its own usage, or for different data we have different charts. It depends upon the data, which type of data you are entering. On the basis of that, chart is going to be made. Right now same data is there, but if I'm going to change the chart type, I'm going to change the chart type to here, to this style, so it will not show any effect over there. The effect will be not visible. The reason I have told you that because this data is not on the basis of that. so the chart is not going to be created. Or if I'm going to create here or change the chart type to the to the pie, I'm going to change. So you will not see what this is. The presentation will not understand, or the chart you will not understand that what it will show. Got my point or not? Every chart have its own usage. Okay?
And how can we change the color spectrum?
Everything is possible to do so, but just I'm going to do it. Okay, here first of all, if you want to change, okay, I'm going to change the data. Here, which type of data? I'm going to change this data to, that is marks of OS, operating system. Okay, next one, marks of computer application, come in. And third one, I'm going to create marks of what? Of introduction to computing, I2C, and marks I'm going to enter 18, 15, 20, 17, 20, here 18, 16, and 20, 14, 16, 18 again. Okay, these marks I have entered. Right now I want to create a chart of that. So first of all, I'm going to copy the just data. So here, Control C, copy, and a new sheet I'm going to create, and inside that, and here I'm going to go over to the paste special, not like that. Go over to the paste special, and what I need, just values, not the style. Okay, it has been created or not? Okay, just I'm going to use book one. I do not need that. And I'm going to furthermore format. If you want to format it, possible to do so or not. Okay, right now I'm going to create the chart for that. So select your data, go over to the insert and chart. Right now, if I'm going to create this chart, so you can see that automatically it shows you or not. 3 columns. Okay, 3 columns are showing over here or not. Okay, and these 3 columns is that one is operating system marks, computer application marks, and introduction to computer marks. Okay, and inside it the names are written down. If I'm going to change the chart type here, the chart type to this one, so you will see what the difference it will show. If I'm going to change the chart type and clicking this one, so right now you can see the difference over there or not. But what this show, this is basically total. This is what? A total. The total of 3 subject has been done and shown in a form of here, in a form of bars. Okay, how? Here you will see that who got the top position. Just from here, who got the top position? That is Ahmad or not? Okay. If I'm going to count these marks, so here, if I'm going to count the Ahmad marks, okay, how I'm going to count that? Here is equal to total, not total, just total, and is equal to, and I'm going to just sum of 2018 16 54, and who got the top position right now? So 62 is the top or not? Ahmed got that or not? 62 and Ahmed. If I'm going to show inside the chart, or if I'm going to see the chart, so same thing, Ahmed got top position or not? Okay, and the second one is whom? That is Masood, and third one is Mr. Ali, fourth one is Jawad, and last one is Kamran. So
in this chart, you cannot make the number.
We can show also. I'm going to come over here that you want to show the numbers and these things which is coming. I'm coming over there. Okay, so that is the chart type you have changed. Understand my point or not? If you want to change the chart type, so this basically depends upon your data. Next one we have here in a design. So different charts are here. I told you that every chart has its own usage. Okay, so you can also change the chart from here. Next one is save as a template. I'm coming over there. That is data item. Okay, if you want that this chart is possible to use somewhere else also, okay, that is going to be saved as a file, and another sheet you're going to call that, and you're going to use that. Understand my point? Okay, that this chart can be utilized anywhere also. That it is a chart you're going to save, and as a template it is going to be saved, and you can, when you go over there and new, so it asks from you that you're going to create from a template, so just go over there. You can also insert from there my templates, which templates you have, just go over there and insert inside it. Okay, but if you're going to save, then right now you can see that names, these are what, these are the marks or not. Okay, if you want that the 5 students are shown over here, so what, I'm going to change the chart rows to columns. If I'm going to click on that, so you can see that here the colors are showing on students. These are what, students. Okay, and these are the marks. The 5 students are shown. Previously just what are showing, subjects are showing. Subjects are showing. There are 3 subjects are showing in this form. The bars are for subject. Here the bars are for subject, operating system, computer application, and I2C. But if I'm going to change here, switch to the rows to the column, so right now these are what showing. Okay, this is the students are showing. Students are showing and their marks are also showing. Understand my point or not?
Yeah.
That is what, which the columns were there, this has been shifted to the row, and the rows were there, it has been shifted to the column. Okay, rows and columns. Previously when you have a data, right now previously we have data like that or not. Okay, so here here what is there, this is the Ali marks 20. Okay, the comparison is done 20 and 18 and 16. Here 20, 18 and 16 are showing or not, but of Ali, but right now if I'm going to change that, here operating system, this will come operating system, but all student marks will show, comparison will be done. Okay, so I'm going to go over, switch here, this is operating system, but inside that you can say that 20, 18, and it data is collecting like that, in a column wise data is collecting. Understand? Okay, sometimes we need that, here the data, I do not need introduction to computer marks. Okay, in a chart it will not show that introduction to computer, so just select that and remove it from the list, so it will be not listed over there. Okay, so it depends upon your choice, that you want to delete from the list, you want to add from the list, you want to just edit the list, what you want to do, so it's also possible. Okay, just like here I want to add a new column inside it, so just add. Okay, series name will be what, just here move this. Okay, just I'm going to move this up to there. Oh, I have created chart on the basis of 2 columns. Okay, and go over to the insert chart of 2 column has been created. Right now I want to insert the 3rd one inside it. Okay, so just you can also, easy way is just again select the data and again create a chart, insert chart. So it is going to be remove that and is going to be replaced, but you can also add the column to it. Add the column to it. What are you going to do? Just select that and go over to the, again select that and go over to the design, here data. What do you want to add? Add a new. Okay, so add new column you want to add. What is the series name for that? It is marks of what? Marks of I2C, introduction to computing. That is series name. Okay, next one is the series values. What values you have, so select that and the values are listed over there in this cells. Yes, in this column I have. Okay, yes, come in. Done, it has been added. Okay, so right now you can see that it is coming over there or not, data is available inside the list or not. So it depends upon your choice, what type of comparison you want to do, or you want to add one more column inside the chart, so it's also possible to do so. Understand my point or not? Next one, when you go over to the chart, okay, I'm going to create the chart on these 3. Remove that. Again I'm going to create, okay, Spark like 3D effect. Okay, right now I want, that is selecting a data. You got that or not? If you want to add something, if you want to remove something from it, so it's also possible to do so. Next one is quick layout, the design. This is what? Design. Which type of design you want? Just like here, the numbers will be shown at the top or not? You want to ask for this question or not? That how much numbers or how much values are there, or different styles are there, that here just numbers but not the title. Okay, so different styles are there, which style you want to show, so just select that, it is going to be applied. Okay, that here it will show the number at the top, but grid lines, okay, but the grid lines is also not available, so it depends upon your choice. Or you can also, these are the styles. Okay, here different styles are there, you want to use a different style, so it's also possible that the border will be there, the color is also changing over here or not. Okay, or if you want just like this green and at the back black, so it's also possible to do so. Okay, furthermore we have move chart. If you want that this chart is going to be moved to the another sheet or to the chart sheet, okay, where you want to move, I want to move to the sheet number 3. Okay, so the chart has been shifted to the sheet number 3. You can see that it is right now available in sheet 3. Previously it was in a sheet 1. Again, if you want that, it will come to the sheet 1. So go over there, sheet number 1. Right now it is again in sheet 1. If you want that the whole chart will move to the new sheet by name of chart 1. Chart 1. New sheet will be created by the name of chart 1, and the chart is coming inside it. Okay? It depends upon your choice what you want to do so. Okay. Again, I want to move this chart to the sheet, so just clicking on that it will come to the sheet 1. So again coming to its normal or not. Understand? Next one we have a layout. In a layout, if you want to design each and everything individual, you can design it from here. One by one you can design. Okay, what you want to design? So select that. Right now I want to design here. This thing, these are known as a legend. Okay, this is known as what? Legend. So here, format, where you want, at the top, at the left, at the right. Okay, it will come at the right, close. So it has been coming to the right or not. Okay, furthermore I want to make a grid lines. So this is a walls. If you want to design a wall, so here just select the color. You want a solid fill, okay, with a different color. I want at the back pink color. Okay, close. So you can see that the wall has been changed to the pink or not. Okay, if you want to bar, that the bars is going to be changed. For Ali, I am going to change the color. Okay, sorry, for subject, that is one. First subject is operating system. Operating system, that color is going to be changed. So here, if I'm going to just make it that the fill will be solid, and that is fill is pink, I'm going to make it orange, close. So right now its color has been changed to the, you ask this or not, how are you going to change the bar colors? So it come to the orange or not. Okay, the second one I'm going to make it red. So select that and go over computer applications, select here, and I'm going to fill color for that is what? Solid fill, but with color? It is going to be red. Close. So second is red right now or not? Okay, so you can change these. What you want, furthermore, you want to change the legend. So just select the item, what you want, border, sheet area. You're going to color it, format it, and just making border style which you want to make. So it is selected from here. Got my point or not? Okay, so these are the style which you want to create. So if you want to format x-axis and y-axis, right now x-axis and y-axis is not showing. Okay, x-axis and y-axis. If you want to show it, so here, right now go over there, that is walls are there, but in this style no x-axis and y-axis. In this style there is not there. But if I'm going to change this style, okay, here I need x-axis. Primary axes are shown, yes, and y-axis also I want to show. Y-axis, y show default. So it has been shown or not, this one? I'm talking about this 0, 5, 10, and if you want to change the color of that, okay, format it, I want to make it black. So here the color of that is fill or color, here solid fill, and that is at the background gray color will be black. So right now it is, you can see that easily to view your data item. So what type of formatting you want to give, so it is also available over there. Furthermore, if you want to make a range bigger, this is mostly you does not know that. Here, if you want to make a scale, here up to 0 to 30 it is showing or not, the numbers are showing from 0 to 30 or not. But if you want 0 from 100, the range will be from 0 to 100. How are you going to arrange that? Okay, but right now automatically it's not showing. But if you want to do so, so we are going to format our scale and go over to the horizontal scale and go over to the format. Okay, our minor and major. One is a minor major, so here I'm going to use, who is that, not automatic specific interval. Okay, here customize and x-axis option. Which option? That is y-axis or x-axis? Yes. Okay, here major and minor, we are going to arrange the major and minor here. That is just axis data, inside outside, automatically base, categorize in reverse order, specify inverter interval 1 unit. No, that is not, but axis I'm going to change numbers. Okay, journal add automatic number. That is also available. Okay, that is also available from here. If you're going to arrange axis, so I'm going to show primary y-axis options. Yes, that is available over there. Okay, if you want to furthermore maximize the minimum value, but in a sequence I'm going to do that. In a sequence I'm going to do that or not? Okay, previously I have done here which format you want to arrange, so just from here arrange that. If you want that it will come to the normal, so just clicking on that, it is coming to the normal. Just like here, I want that here the numbering or the color that will come to the normal, so just clicking on that, it will be coming to the normal or not. Okay, default style is insert. Simple thing is, if you want to insert picture text box, so clicking on that, it is going to be inserted. Simple thing. Okay, no need of that. Next one is chart title. The chart title, this is the title. This is what chart title, what it is. I want that this chart is used for what? Student, that is DIT, student marks. Okay, so that is the title I have created. Right now you want to place this chart title where? So go over to the chart titles, and this chart title will be placed at the top or here on the data. So here you can see that on above showing or not. But if you're going to select here, that it will show here centralized overlay. So sorry, that was below the chart, so the chart will come below and will come at the top. Okay, or none, so it will be not shown. If you want that it will not show, so click on the none. Next one is axis. There at this side the names are showing but not correctly. I am going to just format that. Okay, format, and the color is white, and fill color I am going to make here fill, solid fill, and I'm going to make it orange down. Okay, so here right now furthermore visible or not? Okay, so I want that where this will be shown, but there is not a title, is axis. Okay, furthermore you want to show that it will be at the below. Right now these are what, names or not? Student names or not? Student names. Select that and change the format. You can also change from here, go over there, change the color to the to orange, or not orange, it should be green, dark green. Done. Student names. Furthermore I need here, that is what, that is x-axis. In a design, in layout we have, that is x-axis title. Okay, x-axis title. If you want at the vertical, here also the title. Okay, these are what, marks or not? Here these are the marks. So here primary y-axis, so here I want simple. These are what, marks. Marks. Select that and change the color of that if you want to do so from home, and it should be also green, and the size I am going to increase for that from 10 to 14. Okay, and if you change the here how this layout will be shown, so go over here and this one axis, and sorry y-axis, and it will be like that, marks, marks. So you can also change the styles of these things if you want to create a chart, so this is also available from here. Next one is a legend. This is known as a what, legend, this one. Okay, where this will be available, so you can move it to the right side, to the bottom, where you want. Okay, to the top. Okay, it will be shown at the top, so clicking on that, it is coming at the top or not? Okay, that this color is used for this student, sorry, this color is used for this subject. Okay, OS subject or different Next one is data table. If you want to show a data table, so here is also available, that it shows you that on the basis of which data this table has been created, on the basis of which data this table has been created. I'm going to change this color chart area blue, which not showing the color over there. So just here I'm going to make like that dark color. Understand? Okay. Right now here the data table is shown or not. If you want that it will not show the data table, so here, sorry, that is not a data table. Data table is this one. Okay. So none. So it will not show the data table. If you want that it will show the data table with a legend keys. What this legend key is this color. This color is known as the legend key. This is known as what? Legend key, and it is available over here or not. This is legend keys. That legend keys are available along with that or not. If I'm going to remove, so legend keys are not there or not. Okay. So if you want data table, sorry, here data labels. The labels are these. These are what? Labels. Just I'm going to remove the data from here, and if you want the labels, okay, here none, so no label will be there. If you want to show the labels, so here label will show, so you can see that labels are visible over there or not. Okay. Next one is x-axis and y-axis. None. Where you want to place it, further more options are there. Okay. The values will be shown, series, category wise it will show. Okay, in a category wise. So right now names, full everything information is shown. Okay. If you want that full category shown, that a student name along with that subject, which subject it is, so it will show full things or not. So that is again full coming over there. It depends upon your choice. Next one is horizontal x-axis and vertical x-axis. Oh, concentrate over here. Next one is horizontal x-axis. If you want that at the bottom it will show the x-axis or it will not show that. So right now the names has been removed or not. Okay. Or if you want to show that, so here go to the horizontal, and here I want the show in this direction. Okay. Furthermore, I am talking about this, how you're going to make or arrange, make it bigger. Just like from 0 to 30, I want to make it from 0 to 100. Okay. Automatically it will not possible to do so, but here you're going to change the primary x-axis. Okay, just go over to the more axes, and here your minimum value is 0. Your maximum value will be what? Maximum value is 100. Okay, and close. So right now you will see the difference over there. So you can see that from 0 to 100 it shows. From 0 to 100 it will show the difference over there or not. From 0 to 100. Okay, so it depends upon your choice, that the marks will be calculated, the chart will be shown, the plot area will from 0 to 100, 0 to 50, 0 to 30. Okay, so right now if I want to change to 0 to 30, so here, or make it up to 50. Okay, from 0 to 50. Done, close. Right now 0 to 50 has been shown or not. One is a major unit, one is a minor unit. Right now the unit is showing, major unit is 10. Major unit is 10. Okay, if I'm going to show here the data, I'm going to change inside it, and 1 2 3 I'm going to change the data to the 1 2 3. The reason is there because, okay, I'm going to another create a chart, and inside it name and number, just number, name Ali, Ahmad, Jawad, Kamran, and Majid. Okay, here number is 4 5 6 4 2 and 3. Let's suppose these numbers are there. Right now I'm going to create a chart on the basis of that. So go over to the insert chart, and that is a 2D chart I'm going to create. Okay, so it has been created. Right now I'm going to create, format these number. So just select that and go over to the layout, or not, or if you're not going to select, go over to the x-axis, primary axis, primary y-axis, and here more. Okay, so it will show you from 0 to 10. I'm going to make it minimum is 0, the maximum will be what? 10. The maximum is 10. Right now click on the close, and it will show you the range from 0 to 10 or not. Here this is the major unit. This is what? Major unit, and in between them minors are there. Okay, right now major unit is 0 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 8, and 8 to 10 is showing or not? Okay. Right now, if you want to arrange this also, so here more. Oh shit! What I've selected? Control Z, wrong entry. Log, it has been shown. Okay. I want that the major unit will be major unit. Is 2 showing over there or not? But major unit I'm going to make it okay, 2 enough. But the minor unit will be what? Minor unit 0.2. Okay, 0.2. I'm going to make it minor unit 0.5. Close that. Mouse. So here in between them, if I'm going to show a grid lines, here major and minor both will show. Major, right now major is showing, these are the majors, and I want to show the minor also, minors. So minor lines, so you can see the minors, these are the minors line, minors grid lines has been shown. If you want to do so, so it is also possible that these numbers has been arranged. Okay, if I want to show these grid lines here, x-axis more, and I want that in between 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 like shown. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 will show. So how? Go over to the go over to the legends, axis, and primary, go over to the more primary x-axis, and here. Okay, what will be the major? Major is not 2, I'm going to make it what? 1. Okay, close it. So right now you will see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 is showing or not? Understand? So this is sometimes we need that. So you can also show by the help of that. Understand my point or not? Okay, the grid lines I have shown you. If you want to see the major grid lines or minor, major just major, and if you want to see minor, so the major is 2 showing over there. The major are 2. Oh, so sorry, from 9 to 10, 1. Major unit we have given 1 over there or not? Okay, if you want to show minor, which is 0.4, 0.5, sorry. So in between them, one more line will be coming over there. One more line coming inside it or not? Which is 0.5 I have given. 0.5. So the 0.5 lines are showing over there. Understand? Okay, these are, if you show the grid lines, horizontal and vertical, so it's also possible. This is the major horizontal grid line, and if you want to show the minor also possible, minor grid lines will be shown. So this is half of that is a minor. So it depends upon your choice that how you're going to show. Next one is chart area, or here plot area or chart walls. If you're going to create the chart wall, so this is basically the chart wall. Okay, and that is when you have a colored. Okay, when you have a colored, so mostly we create. Okay, more chart wall option. Which color you want to give? Solid fill with which color? So it has been filled or not? The chart wall. Okay, or if you want to that it will shown or it will not shown, just make it white or it will shown. Which color you want to give? Okay, so just from there select the color. It is going to be filled by a solid black. Okay, so it has been filled. Understand? 3D chart floor is down. This one is a floor area of a chart. Okay, if you want to just format it, so you can also arrange that is showing, positioning, reset. This is the 3D, so you can also x-axis that it is going to be taken as a degree. So you can see that it is rotating or not. Okay, so close, you can see that it has been formatted like that, rotated or not. So this is just like plot area you're going to, or 3D rotation is also there. So how much degree you want to give. Okay, so that is also degree you're going to give.
This option one you can check this sum.
Which one option?
This side.
This one?
This side.
This side? Here. Here you can give x-axis, how much rotation.
And this side.
This side, this one? The furthermore option, these are fill effect, and these this xy. Just number I'm going to change. Number. This one is by increasing and decreasing the degree. Degrees, zavia, angle. Okay, these one angles. So this showing that this is going to be rotate like that. Alama rotate. Left to right or right to left. Okay, so how much degree it is? If you're going to increase, so it is going to rotate like that. If you're going to decrease, so it will rotate like the another option. Understand?
Yeah.
Simple things are there. Okay, this is just like for chart different. Analyze is means that I'm going to make a difference, that from this to this point, that is analyze I'm going to create. But right now there is no analyze option for this chart, because if you have 2 or 3, analyze is what this is. Analyze is control delete. Come on, open the dictionary. ANE. What you see is it tajziya. Okay, means I have told you when 2 or 3 objects are there and you're going to make a comparison on that, so that is known as analyze. But right now no more, just one object is there, so therefore no comparison is possible. When you have a 2 or 3, so then it is not possible. Right now if I'm going to change the data inside this chart, so analyzing is possible. Okay, just go over to the analyze. Right now here the chart type, not selecting that. Analyze na kaida. Basically I have done that. Tajziya was just making a line, that previously it was that, right now it is coming over there. Just it makes a line. Makes a line in between them. Okay, it's like from this to this, that previously was that amount, right now it is that. So it makes a bar over there, bar or line. Okay, nothing more than that I've seen. But for this chart, the chart style will be used, therefore I think so. But if it is not active right now, so leave it. Next one, properties. If you check it out, that this which chart name is there, chart name is 6, so you can give a chart name by that. This is a model chart, a first chart, a second chart, so you can also give the name. Format, just styles are there, create any style on that. So on the basis of just like making a text will be on which style, a border for it, wall for it, just select any object, it is going to be applied on the basis of that. Okay, so previously here, right now I'm going to shape, that it is going to be autofill or color with which. Okay, so different colors are possible to create. On the basis of that the chart is going to be made. So this, I think so, in a word we have checked out. This same format is for text box, if you remember. Same format is for text box, and every option we have discussed inside it. Understand? Okay, that was a chart. Right now different charts we have. If you go over through, so you want to create a pie chart and different charts. So I think so we have done these all in a word, all these charts. But the main things is inside this scale, what are the legend, you should know about what is the legend, what is the title, what is x-axis, what is y-axis. Okay, inside that what is the chart wall, what is the bars are there. So the names you should remember, so when you're going to format that, so then it will be easier for you. Got my point or not? Okay, next one, if you want to insert a hyperlink. Okay. Yes, I've told you that every chart has its own usage. Just like I'm going to create a chart that is names and partnership. Name and partnership. Okay, Ahad. Okay, Ahad, Wajid, and Kamran. They started a business. Okay, and they have investment done $20,000 and 20,000. Okay. Next one, he have done $70,000, and he have done $40,000. Okay. Right now, I am going to show this data in a pie chart. Mostly, different chart have its own usage. Right now, you can see that this is the percentage of what, of Awajid. If you want to show a label for that, then it will more labels. In a percentage, it will show or not. Okay, or if you want to show the amount also, that it will show an amount on that. So here, I'm going to change the chart style. Okay, done. Right now, the amount, if you want to show that how much amount he have, so go over to the layout, and here that data labels, and it will show you at the center, the labels will be at the center. Okay, so I want that will be best outside, so that is you, it depends upon your choice that it will be active over there or not. Understand? So how much amount is there, so percentage, in a percentage it will show. Okay, if you want furthermore along with that, format chart data series. Okay, I want that it will show you here numbers, it will show you also the numbers, data labels, show text. Okay, show values also. Okay, so right now here you can see that 7,000 has been shown or not? 70,000, sorry. Okay, so just if you want to format the chart labels, it's like this one, and I want all the chart labels. So go over to the chart labels at the center, and okay, right now I want what inside it, the labels will be formatted. Format data labels. Okay, values will be shown, and the series means names will be also shown. So here you can see that here the values are also showing, partnership, ahad, and everything is showing over there or not. Okay, so if you want to show label, percentage, values, so it will be possible by the help of that. Got my point or not? Okay, so that was another chart. Chart. You got that? So every chart have its own usage. I have told you. It's like I'm going to create bars, lines. Okay, two sector chart I'm going to create here. X value and Y value. Okay. X is 3, so X is 2, Y become 4. When X become 5, Y become 10. When X becomes 7, so 6, so Y become 18, let's suppose, okay. And when X become -1, so Y become just minus or just 0. Okay, when X become -5, so Y become minus 10 or -2. So right now I'm going to create a chart for that. So select the values, and we are not going to make a simple chart. Okay, if I'm going to create a simple chart or column chart for that, so you will not understand the original data, what this is. Okay, that is not a correct comparison. But if I'm going to create a XY sector chart, okay, XY sector chart here like that, so you right now you can see that here that is parabolic charts has been created. Okay, so that is coming down and up and down both values. These are X values and this is Y value showing over there. Understand my point or not? Okay, I have told you that every chart have its own usage. It's like two equations chart you want to show, two equations. So we can also show it too, but just like if I'm going to include Z over there, it's like Z variable. Okay, so second line will be drawn over there. Okay, 5, 7, 67, not 7, and when it's become 6, so it become 8, and when it become -1, so it become 4, and when it become -5, so it become -2. So right now here not -2, I'm going to make it -1, not 0, because same values. Okay, at Z values. Okay, XYZ. Here format, insert, chart, XY sector, parabolic I'm going to create. So right now you can see that two bars are showing like that or not. Understand my point or not? If you're going to make a curve, a parabolic, so it is easy to create by the help of this thing. Okay, so that was all about the chart. So different charts are there. Which one you want to create, so select that, is going to be created. But the main thing is what formatting you can do on that. Okay, and I've given you a lecture inside that in a world that which chart we're going to use for which data. So from there you can see that. Next one is hyperlink. Okay, I want that whenever I'm going to click on that, so automatically I will go to the sheet number 1. Whenever I'm going to click on that, my cursor goes to the sheet number 1. No, I'm going to go over finish. Classo, finish. Okay, furthermore, hyperlink. The video is there, so just study at home. Okay, hyperlink. I want that go to sheet 1. So right now, while you're going to click, your cursor goes to a sheet 1. So click on hyperlink. Okay, so right now you can also open a file on the basis of that. When you click on that, a file is going to be open. But if you want that whenever I'm going to click on that, so it will do what? Recording is doing? Yes. Okay, whenever I'm going to click on that, it will place inside the same sheet. Okay, and it will go to the sheet number 1 and which cell address? Okay, C10. Clicking OK, go to. Whenever I'm going to click on that, my cursor directly go to the C10 or not? Okay, so in a same sheet you can move just like clicking over there, so it will move to the another sheet, or it will go to the third sheet or second sheet. Here I have a file, a student bring a file for me, and he want that to create this simple chart for me, or create this file for me, and that was basically built in Excel. Okay. That was what? CC, customer care knowledge. Okay, right now you will see that inside it, what is there? Same technique has been used. I'm going to tell you this hyperlink. Come on. So what is there? Cell formatting is there. While you're going to click on that cell format, automatically you go to the another sheet. But our sheets are hidden, that it will not show you the sheet which are available over there. Okay. So which one sheet? Book 2 or customer care? Compatibility. And you remember what this compatibility mode is? That in 2003, when something is created, that okay, MTN Afghanistan customer care knowledge, okay, and that is based, that is MTN. Okay, when he click on cell, so cursor moves to the another sheet or not? Okay, but the sheet are not visible, it get hidden, and it is password protected. We are also going to do password protected our file. Again, if I'm going to click on this, my cursor goes to the main page or not? Extra services. Again, if I'm going to click, my cursor goes to the main. So same process is possible by the help of this hyperlink or not? Hyperlink. When you click on that, automatically you will be on that another sheet. Okay? No, on that cell again you will move. Okay? Other cells. Okay? Other cells. Right now, here in a main sheet, right now this is the main sheet. Here you're going to make a links. One for another sheet, one for third sheet, one for fourth sheet, one for fifth sheet. But you're going to click on that, you will go on the third sheet, fourth sheet, fifth sheet. But from fourth sheet, fifth sheet, sixth sheet, you have what? Go back to the main. Yes, you're going to use 2, 3, 4, 5. How many you're going to use? But all will come back to the main sheet. All will come back to the main sheet. Simple process is there. Understand my point or not? Okay. So this is possible to do so by the help of that. Got that? Okay. What this hyperlink is? Right now here same. I'm going to, whenever I'm going to click on this, okay, I want to go to the sheet number 3. I want to go to the sheet number 3, and again coming back. So here, just write sheet number 3. Sheets 3. Okay, and hyperlink it to the sheet number 3. Just clicking on sheet number 3, and A1 or A2 you want to go, so just clicking OK. So right now here, while I'm going to click on that, my cursor go to sheet 3, again back. Understand? Same process is doing over there. No, hidden sheet ko nakari gana. Biya ko tatat le nishalta. Okay, if I'm going to hide sheet number 3, okay, hidden. Right now in a sheet 1, if I'm going to click on that, it does not show that. I've told you that how you're going to go over there, because it is a hidden sheet. Okay, what? Unhide it, so sheet 3 is going to be unhidden. Understand? That was password protected file. You cannot edit anything inside it. You just click inside it. Okay, we are also going to create that file like, okay, so that is going to be protected. No formula will be visible, no sheets will be visible. Okay, no grid lines. Okay, one more here, you can see that also grid lines are not there. Lines are not showing. Yes, it's not, it's a password protected. I have told you that is what? A password protected. Here lines are not showing, everything is not showing. The reason I have told you, what the reason? Here, you are in a cell, but not showing. Okay, I am going to hide here also, in my book. Okay, that just chart will be shown, data will be shown. And go over to the view, and grid lines removed or not? Okay, grid lines or not. But we are going to do that also, all these. Okay, we are in a data. You understand a hyperlink, same text box which we create or which we insert inside Word and Excel, same thing. Header and footer, same thing, but just one you can add, just like I'm going to insert a header for this sheet. Okay, that is central header, left header, right header. Okay, At the center I want to insert what? That is my first file. Okay, if you want to make it bigger, so just select that and go over to the home and increase the text size, bold and size to 20. Done. Or here, if you want to show the present date, design, again present date, current time, and here you want to show current date, so here current date, so it's showing over there or not. If you want to increase the size of that, so select that, go over to the home and increase the size to the 20. Done. And this one also, make it 20. Okay, no problem. But in a video you will see that. Okay, just right now go over to the print preview, Control F2, print preview. So here you can see that this one is coming over here or not. Same thing, if I want to insert a logo, so how are you going to insert a logo? Where I want to insert a logo here. Okay, instead of that I want to insert a logo, so just go over to the design, and design pictures is there. Just go over to the picture and clicking on the logo. No, not this one. I have in my document logo, L-O-G-O. Okay, it will find that. Yes, find out, insert it. Okay, whenever I go to the print preview here or go outside, so you can see that it is visible or not, but I want that this data will go down. The data will go down, so here data has moved down or not, and pressing F2, so you will see that it has been designed or not. Also down you want to see the page numbers. Okay, so how? Again, page number, go over to the footer area. Where? Footer area, and again go over, just go over to the insert and footer, header, footer. So right now I am in a header, I want to go to the footer, so this is the footer area or not. And what I need over here, page number, so just clicking on that, it will show you page number over here. Understand? So these options which we have discussed in a Word also, so no need of repeating that. Okay, how you going to insert a picture, how you going to insert a path, file path, sheet name, that is going to come over here. Again, no section is inside it. Here, right now, here you can see that page number is showing, and furthermore my first file, time and logo is also showing over there. Understand my point? Okay, next one we have discussed this header footer fully inside the Word, if you remember so. Next one we have WordPad view, normal view. That is page layout view. In a normal view you will not see the header and footer. Okay, in normal view you will not see the header and footer. Okay, right now come to the insert furthermore word art. I think so, no need of that, we have done in a Word. Okay, simple thing we have done in a Word. Signature line we have also done in a Word or not? Yes. Signature line, or just I am going to do one signature line at the end of this page. Okay, and just move this chart this side and just signature line here, signature line, leave him sleeping. Okay, signature name, just like I am going to write and here title is lecturer, and here email address is .com. Okay, right now here furthermore clicking OK, so it will create a signature line over there or not. Okay, right now, and if you go over to the print preview, so right now make it small view, so the signature line is showing over here or not. Okay, I have told you previously in a Word how you going to remove that. No, they are the same thing, text box, and merge them, or merge them. Okay, here I am going to insert a text box on that, above on that, and the fill of that, no, that is down and that is up. Okay, just arrange order. Where is, that is arrange order, I'm going to make at the top. Format or bring forward, not come forward, it is not forward right now. Okay. Wait, with the fill effect I think so I've done, and bring it forward, bring front, at the front. Okay, that is not the main thing. What this X for? I've told you that here you're going to make a signature. This is, you cannot move away from that. Simple thing, you cannot move away. Or just I'm going to insert here another text box on that. Basically it's not coming at the top. I'm going to move this backward. This one, move it back. Here, grouping order. But the signature line is not moving backward. Okay, got that or not? Simple thing. This is simple, not main thing, which is the main thing is that how you're going to format each and everything. Okay, insert signature line object. If you're going to insert an object, I think so we have done in a Word. It's like inserting a PowerPoint, inserting the Word and Excel inside it, so it's also possible. Inserting a picture, paint, or these things is also possible by the help of this insert. Okay, it's like if you're going to insert here, it's like I'm going to insert Excel Word inside it, so bitmap image inside it. So here, so you can edit a paint is going to be open, and you're going to format each and everything which you want. Here you want to draw something, just like I want to use the brush. Okay, and close it, then it will be visible over there. Okay, so right now, so that is object has been inserted from the what, from the paint, MS Paint. Or different we have, and the last one we have a symbol. If you want to insert a symbol inside the cell, so different symbols you have, just like euro sign, insert it. We have discussed this also in a Word, and it has been inserted inside the cell. Enough? Done? Okay, I'm going to save that. No enough.